Burns.
Oh, yeah.
We're finally back here on Dan's 54
Finally got parts in.
because they finally showed up with the damn wheel cylinder that was missing. So, you guys just had a battle royale getting the drum off here on the right rear.
Yep. Chicka chicka bow wow. But we succeeded. So the issue is when we disassembled everything last time around.
Jesus, Burnsy, really?
We did
Really?
not know.
Really?
Those Dr. Pepper, not beer.
We did not know that a lot of this stuff was broken. We just didn't because it was a driving car.
No, broken.
And we were doing transmission. Well, if it doesn't work, it's broken. That's the way I look at it.
No, or
So when you guys were
help.
bleeding the brakes, we find out that the wheel cylinders are bad. Well, you don't just put 2 or 1 on, you replace all of them. That's just what you do for safety. So we're trying to get this one off. The other drum comes off really, really good. The self-adjuster's frozen on this side. You can't turn it no matter what you do.
fun.
So we've got to disassemble it, clean it, soak it, get it re-greased. I more than think it's salvageable. It's not a big deal.
Not greased. You don't put any grease in
Yeah, you do. You always put just a tab on the thread so that it will slide like it's supposed to and drive.
Not
And then-
anti-seize.
Yeah.
Yeah, no anti-seize.
No.
Yeah,
Anti-seize
and then you
is
put
good.
just a dab inside here, and I mean just a dab. Not one of those dabs, but a dab.
What?
Dabs or no?
Are you making drug references?
No, we don't do such things here.
We don't.
And then when this has to turn with the spinner, it turns inside the cap without a problem.
You've had some spinners.
Yes, I have. Wing! Best way to have it. But that's not the point. So Burnsy is going to get this finished off today and get the wheel cylinders on it, get it bled. We're hoping before the day is out, you think?
Well, at least the rears.
Yeah.
We're going to do the rears first because it is a dual bowl master. So we've discussed this. Let's do the rears first.
Bleed it.
Bleed it. And then we'll be like, okay,
Then
that part's done.
Right.
Well,
And then
I
we'll
gotta
go to the fronts.
really take apart the fronts because
Which is exactly what I discussed with you earlier.
yeah.
And then I was like, I don't know. And then I sat there and thought about it. I said, yeah, that's a good idea.
I told him he didn't have a
And
choice.
I told Burnsy he had a good idea, but apparently it was your idea, so that's why it was a good idea.
We discussed it.
Oh,
We.
we mo capitan. Jimmy's here kicking it.
Damn, you turning red right now?
I haven't been outside. It's okay.
Anyway, all right, so
Good boy. Good boy.
you're not a Catholic priest, and he's not.
Stop touching me.
I'm
Anyway,
not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
I'm not touching
He's
you.
not touching me. There's a difference.
Dad, he's touching me.
Good kitty.
Okay.
How
On
many
that
videos
note.
have I done that to him?
On that note.
Anyway.
Who loves kitty?
Ooh. Yeah, what you eat?
I don't eat
You
kitty.
veiny twink.
I don't eat.
Just shut up.
You veiny twink. No, that was his phone.
Oh. Okay.
So,
All right.
self-adjuster coming out carefully. Wheel cylinder coming out carefully. Let's check the self-adjuster on the other side while we're at it.
I'll probably take that one out and do the same thing.
Yeah.
Might as well. Because we want these things to work 100%. That way this gentleman, Danny, can come get his car and enjoy it. It's actually cooling down right now.
yeah, it's gonna be the perfect time to drive this here.
Too bad the Mustang's dead. Because
Scotty, are you going to do your thing?
Yeah. Going to take care of my thing. Oh, let me punch out.
We'll punch you out.
so.
I'm
Anyways,
talking this way so I can get paid
Oh, you get paid?
randomly
How come I don't get paid?
because you're not pretty enough. You stand on the wrong street corners.
Oh,
dang.
Damn.
Shots fired.
Over the bow.
Wow. Dude, I landed at port,
What?
starboard, center. What the fuck I just said?
I don't know. Something about a boat. Anyway,
Row your boat.
whatever you said. All right,
Okay.
on it. Do it.